Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the DBS login not working. First, make sure you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for typing errors and then ensure that caps lock is turned off. Next, if you've forgotten check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data because a slow or unstable network can interrupt your login process. Now, if you've forgotten your login details, tap on the forgot username, password and follow these steps to reset them. Close the app, swipe it away completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then try logging in again. You can also restart your phone to fix the temporary issues. And head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for DBS Banking and then make sure that your app is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions can cause login problems. If login still does not work, wait a few minutes and try again, as there may be a temporary system issues. That's how you fix the DBS Bank login not working. Subscribe for more easy tutorials.